GRRR stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Gorilla Technology Group, a very beautiful bullish chart, and all I'm looking to do is hopefully buy, but not currently. Now, why is that? I'm going to stick to my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos, and you might think that I'm exaggerating when I say this. It's really not the case. Because for me, GRR, man, it's just, okay, yeah, I was long there, and it was still sitting inside this demand zone, but it seems like it really wants to break the lows. And I'm perfectly fine with whatever the price gives me. But you can see, I waited for even the demand zone tapped here, but just never happened. And that's that, you know, like, the only thing that will matter to me is if the price shows me the shift, and if it does not, it's all good, you know, like randomly buying for me though, I'm not gonna get burnt again. And why am I saying this? Because I have a bedrock foundation of 40,000 videos that I've done. So not financial advice though. Obviously I've used common factors analysis to figure out what's making money, but if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.